Yes, good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm gonna do some stew beef. This is some stew beef. Okay, I'm gonna above to marinate it. This is some pork. I'm gonna jerk some pork, stew pork. This I'm gonna curry this goat meat. This is goat meat. Okay, goat meat. So I'm gonna do some curry goat, some stew beef, jerk pork, right? So this is the way that I do it. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe, touch the notice button to tell a friend, brother, sister, Ozzy, nieces, nephew, that this is the way Aunty Clair do stew pork and stew beef, curry goat. And this is the season now, so you can see lots of ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, lots of pepper, onion, lots of garlic. I cook with a lots of garlic. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, and this is my to the bone. I bring it from Jamaica. My Jamaican season them. I fill up in the Maggi backer. So this is all purpose. This is a to the bone. This is the all purpose. This is the meat season. Then I have my curry in the backer that I bring from Jamaica, and I put it in the backer. And I have my black pepper, and I have ginger powder also, and soya sauce to put on my pork. Okay, a little bit on the pork and a little bit on the stew beef. So this is the way I do it. Garlic powder also. And I have pimento. You can see a lot of pimento, and I put clove inside there already in the pork and the stew beef. Okay, so this is the way I do it. Above to cut up season now. You have thyme, pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, lots of garlic.
Can you add it?
Scotchy.
Add it now. Come
Yes.
add it.
So I'm gonna add it to it now. So when I add it, I go back again when I'm ready to marinate it up. Okay.